This show is so boring. Chase, I figured it out. We need to give him mouse bites so he will survive. Oh, you're wrong, mate. It's actually lupus. It's never lupus. Also, he has the plague. Oh, wait. I've played Five Nights at Monkeys twice now, and I haven't even thought to play the actual nights. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Josh has done it and I haven't. What is this? Right, I guess I gotta do it. These two. Alright, let's go.
Hello, is this on? Okay.
Oh, wait,
Hey there,
friend.
welcome to your first day on the job. This is pre-recorded message that will explain a few things about this job. So let's get into it. The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door closed for too long since you have a limited amount of power, aka battery. I don't know really what to call it. You can call it whatever. Is that everything? Oh yeah. Every night you will be in different locations. The first night, which you've just started, will take place in forest. Also, there are some things that like to lurk in the forest. I'm not really sure what they are, but if you see anything looking at you through the window, then quickly hide under the table. Anyway, good luck.
Okay, guys, so welcome back to Five Nights at Monkeys, but today we are actually doing the nights. So today we're just gonna do night 1 and 2 because they're the first ones, and then if you guys want me to do 3, 4, and then 5, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, guys, somehow I died.
To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to
Hello.
have the door closed for too long since you have a limited amount of power, aka
Yes.
battery. I don't know really
Oh.
what to call it. You can call it whatever.
What?
Is that everything? Oh yeah. Every night you will be in different locations. The first night, which you just started, will take place in forest. Also, there are some things.
Forty, listen to this. I don't even know how I died
I'm
last
not really
time.
sure what they are, but if you see
Like, I went under the
anything
table.
looking at you through the window, then
Holy
quickly hide under the
bugs.
table. Anyway, good luck.
Okay, he's gone. Okay, he's there. I see you. Wow. Boom. Not again. No! I'm gonna die, aren't I? Dang it.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
I didn't die.
Please find him before it's too late.
Get back. Oh. Need to find him. Okay, you're by there. The Quickster. Oh. Bye-bye. Close the door. Close! Oh my god. I'm going to turn my volume up because this person knocks very quietly. See? Can I come out? Yes. Okay. I see you. Huh? What am? Okay.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too
You
late.
cheeky little fella. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a light. Okay, you're there, you're not here, and you're there. Oh my god, there's so much to do. Tickle. Hey, yep. We're kind of the same colour. In game, I mean. You see Alex's actual colour, then yeah. Kind of the same colour.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message.
This is a
We've
pre-recorded
detected
message.
that Frederick the Little Snowman is
Frederick
not
the
in
Little
his
Snowman
original
is not
spot.
in his original spot.
Please find him before
Please
it's too late.
find him before it's too late. Haha, I knew it before you. Haha. Haha. Oh mein goody Gott. Oh mein Gott, man. This is not very good. Bong! Bong! Wait, no, you cut my thing and I'll electrocute me. Oh, freak. Under.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
Where are you, Frederick?
Please find him before it's too late.
Where are you, Frederick? Come on, Frederick, this isn't funny. But you're always by there. Still 3 a.m. I think when it goes to 4 a.m, I think that's perfect time to just, you know. What if I just have my camera stuck on there? Because I don't think he can get me anywhere else. Hold on, guys. Frederick! I need to be careful. Because if I was poking him and that happened, I'd be cooked. Bow, 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 bow.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message.
Frederick.
We've
Oh,
detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
hi, Diane. Ooh, battery life is running out. I might have to open the door, especially because it's still 4 a.m. Door's already closed, but I'll pretend to close it again. Whoa! Yep, you're gone. Door hasn't opened. What if I hit? That's odd. Might be like a button in him, like that makes the booping sound. Maybe. Rock and freaking roll, gang.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded
Oh,
message.
no.
We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please
Not
find him
his-
before it's too late.
Close the door. You're there. Oh, come on. 5 a.m. Come on. Hello? Guys? What the hell? What the helly? What the hell? What the helliamus? Maybe he's gone now. Maybe he's like gone to make the next update. Oh no, he's there. Oh yes, yes. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. On to night 2. This is going to get a bit harder. Multiplayer doesn't work in publics and private. Multiplayer will be added in the full release. Please remember that this is still a demo beta, so there are gonna be bugs, which is like the one we saw earlier.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Yeah,
Oh, hey,
yeah,
you made it
yeah.
to the second night. Congrats. This
Thanks.
night will be a little different. You'll
Okay.
still have to watch the cameras, but there's no doors. So
Okay.
check the cameras for anything, and if one of those creatures are like really close
Yeah.
to the camera,
Almost
press
like
that
smooching it?
emergency reset button, or else you won't make it alive.
Okay.
Also, if you notice one of the creatures on cam 3 pull the lever, that will shock it to prevent it from getting in.
As he said
is
that.
there anything else? Oh. Hello? Who up?
What the freak? What happened to Broski? Okay, so on this night, basically all we have to do is just watch for him, and if we hear breathing, and if he's looking at the camera, we just gotta do that. Yeah. See. 1 AM already. Let's go. Sure. Hello? Where are you? Let me grab it. Oh, not again. Oh my god, how many times is this guy gonna smooch the camera? He's got like a loving relationship with the camera. Like, please, just stop gooning to the camera, mate. Mate! You're getting ever so close to me, buddy. I don't like that. I wonder if, like, they know I'm here. You know, like, I wonder if, like, I mean, they must, especially if, like, they're looking at the Okay. Especially if, like, they're looking at the cameras, you know, like, you know what I mean? Because, like, I think they know I'm watching them. I just don't know if they know where I am. But then again, I am the only bit in canyons that's lit up. So maybe they're blind. What was that? I feel like I hear breathing. So I'm gonna do that as a safety precaution. What is burning? Stop it! Stop burning! Stop! 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Guys, what if I was a creature and I was like this, and I could, and my creature would go. Hold on, let me check. If you're by there, no, you're probably you're at 1. You're at 5. I was gonna say 5. I don't think there's power on this one. I could be wrong though. 4 a.m. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Chat, share with your loved ones. Maybe they have a pet. No, mouse. Maybe they have a pet mouse named Jeremy, and they like monkeys. You never know. What if instead of Raptor, my name was Rapper, and I liked music? I did music instead of playing VR games. What about that, guys? What do you think? Where's your hand gone? Do you have a nub? Ooh, then. I wonder if I can still. Oh, I wasn't even close. Lips. Come on, 1 more hour. I can do this. First try, question mark? Alright, so I die on night 1 to a bug, and I don't die on night 2, the harder night. I see how it is. That's either the normal stick or the shame stick. I don't know. I would think they would be more, what's it called? More active now. Because I'm about to win. But I... What? Huh? What was that? I don't know what that was. That might be in the game or just my... Oh, maybe it's me. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, it is. Oh, I won! Yes. And now it gives you a webcam. Probably do these with my controllers. Hold on. I can't. Hold on. Maybe if I... Alright, let's do the outro. Oh, okay, we're at the spot. Please like, subscribe, comment if you want, share this to your pet snake named Derek. Come on guys, think of better names. Anyways, as I was saying, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. Goodbye from me. Bye!